you are new here, welcome. I am Cambria. I make videos on everything beauty and a little bit of fashion. If that is something that you are interested in, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button to join the family, and let's get into the video. So today I am trying the Fenty Beauty by Rihanna, the Pro Filt'r Soft Matte Longwear Foundation. This will be my first impression. I have not tried this, but I've been wanting to try this. I got it in the shade 320. So I'm sure if you guys haven't tried this yet, you probably will be trying it. I know I'm a little bit late to the game, so I'm just gonna read it. Medium to full coverage for all. Long wear, light as air. Okay, with the rhyming. So let's just see what it says on the website. It doesn't give me any like further directions in terms of like shaking it or anything like that. So it says that it gives a soft matte long wear foundation with buildable medium to full coverage, now in a bounty breaking range of 50 shades. That's bomb, of course. We love Rihanna for doing that. Pro Filt'r Soft Matte Longwear Foundation is a 2018. Okay, we don't care about that. It just says it's an Allure Best of Beauty Breakthrough Award. Go ahead and get into it. I'm quickly going to prime my skin with the Polish Choice Resist Smoothing Primer. I love this one. It gives my skin such a smooth finish, and it also has SPF. So it says shake well. The packaging. I know you guys have seen this everywhere. Okay, it looks like it's gonna be pretty close to my shade. My Jaff Collection brush to apply it today. The color's a little dark for me, but this coverage, I'm loving this coverage. Oh my god. Yeah, this is like instantly blurring any type of imperfection. You guys tell? So it's just a little bit dark, but it blends really nice. It'd be a new favorite. Try. If you guys were late like me, try it. It's definitely worth the hype. I like it a lot. It feels really good on the skin. It's light, but it blurred. I mean, I'm not gonna have to use that much concealer. So yeah, I like it a lot. What do you guys think? I think this foundation is actually making my concealer work better. To set my foundation, I am using the True Match powder in Nut Brown. I'm going to do a little bit of contour today, and for that I am using my NYX bronzer, and I'm using it in Deep Tan. For blush and highlight today, I am using the Pineapple palette from Tarte. I'm going to go in with this blush and this for my highlight today. I love the way that their products smell, you guys. They smell so good. Do my brows off camera, and then I will be back to do a little bit of a subtle shadow, and then we will finish with liner and lashes. So I will be right back. Okay, so now that my eyebrows are done, I am gonna go in with my LA Girl Pro Conceal, and I'm gonna use that as my I'm gonna go in with my LA Girl Pro Conceal, and I'm gonna use that as my, I cannot think, my eyeshadow base today. Using my BH Cosmetics, this medium, where'd it go? This medium brown right here. And this is gonna go into the crease. Outer corner, I'm gonna go in and take this deeper brown, this one here, in the kit, this one here. And for this one, I am going to do a C shape to create the V. Brush, this one here, this color here, it's kind of a nude. It looks yellow on camera, but it's a nude. And I'm just gonna use that on my lid. Okay, you guys, and for today's liner, I am using the Tarte Sex Kitten, and I'm actually going to quickly do my liner and lashes off camera, and I will be back to finish off lips. So my lashes and my liner are applied now, so I want to go ahead and do lips. And so far this foundation is still looking really good. It is just slightly too dark for me, but it isn't bad. I think that it blended okay. I am going to insert some pictures with flash photography to see how it looks, unedited of course, and then throughout the day I will be posting some pictures on my Instagram, in my Insta stories, to see how it's holding up throughout the day. So if you're not already following me, go ahead and follow me at Beauty by Cams Couture if you're interested in seeing those pictures of how the foundation is holding up. It is snowing here in the Pacific Northwest, so it should be interesting to see how it holds up. But for lips, I'm going to use my favorite Stila Patina, Stila All Day Liquid, is it All Day Wear? Let's just read it. The Stay All Day Liquid Lipstick in Patina. I love this color. So to finish off kind of this soft glam, I'm going to use this, and I'm going to be liner. I'll be using the BH Cosmetics Waterproof Liner in Earth. I love this one. It looks very natural on my lips. So I'm going to quickly apply that. Okay guys, so that completes this soft glam look using the first impression of the Fenty Beauty Rihanna Pro Filt'r foundation. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I will be posting the pictures and the updates on my Insta story, so follow me over there, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys!